Stand up.
We're going to video this moment. This is our house. This is our house. And as I step away, you see our mound of snow. It's about twice as high as our cars. Our natural made slides. You coming down, Will?
Okay, and you got. Hold on the rope. Ready?
Uh-oh.
Exile, exile.
Yay! Here comes Timmy! Go. How does everyone feel? Was that good? Ah, Timmy's smiling, so we're good.
You're gonna get to go next, George. Way to go, Will!